Hi, I've brought the Sunny Tripower X60 with me today, and I will show you what scope of delivery you can expect. The Sunny Tripower X60 comes in a cardboard box with convenient carrying handles. Right after opening, you will find the documentation package, which contains all essential information for installation and commissioning. For the DC side, 20 SunClicks connectors from Phoenix Contact are available. To ensure safe AC cable installation, 4 AC connector spaces are also included. For wall mounting, a suitable wall bracket is provided along with the appropriate security screws. Furthermore, a communication connector is included, which provides the typical SMA interfaces, including Ethernet, digital inputs, and a digital output. Well protected underneath is the actual device, the Sunny Tripower X60, securely fixed for transport. Additionally, there is a cover for the AC connection area, including the associated screw set in the package. That's it for the scope of delivery. If you need further assistance, check out our channel or comment your question below this video. Do you always want to see the latest tech tips on SMA products? Then subscribe to our channel.